I'm going to show you how to cancel a payment on PayPal. So first you want to go to paypal.com and then sign into your account. Next, you want to come to the recent activity here, or you can click on the activity from the top bar here, and it should open up the list of activities. And then you want to click on the payment that you've made. So for example, this one right here. And if the payment is pending, you can click on it like this, and it should open up the payment details. And as I said before, if it's pending, you should see a cancel button at the bottom here, which you can click on to cancel the pending payment. And if you see the payment under the completed tab, it's pretty much done and cannot be canceled directly. Instead, what you can do is contact the recipient and ask for a refund. Or if it was goods and services payment, you can open a dispute in the resolution center within 180 days of the date of making the payment. And if you paid by your credit or debit card, you may contact your bank to basically do a chargeback. And that's pretty much it for this video. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below, and see you on the next one.